Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. No oil, no refined sugars, non-fat, Weight Watchers friendly and low calorie. These healthy 2 ingredient breakfast cookies are super easy to make, so let's go and make it happen. So as I had said, 2 ingredient cookies, so we need bananas and oatmeal, just 2 ingredients. But you can add whatever add-ins you like, but try to keep the dough moist enough to hold the cookie together. Today I'm adding chocolate chip, but you can add anything you have on hand. Add peanut butter, Nutella, extra sugar, whatever you like to add in your cookies. So just take a mixing bowl, add your bananas and mash them with the help of fork while preheat your oven on 350 degrees. And then add a cup of oatmeal. You can finely process your oatmeal, then add in the mixture. I was using an instant one, so pieces were very fine anyways. So just add in your oatmeal and mix until everything is fully combined. Then I added some vanilla to enhance the flavor. You can add any flavored extract. And then I added my milk chocolate chips into this oatmeal mixture. The add-ins possibilities are endless: chocolate chip, nuts, spices, fruits, whatever you like to add. So when your mixture looks like a cookie dough, just line a cookie sheet with a piece of parchment paper. Take a spoonful of oatmeal mixture and put it on the lined cookie sheet, and then flatten the top with the back of the spoon. So you can repeat the same process with the rest of your oatmeal mixture, and then bake them for 9 to 12 minutes or until cookies are set. Then remove from oven and cool on wire rack for 10-15 minutes. You can keep them in a covered container for a few days, or they can be frozen and reheated. Dairy-free, gluten-free if you're using gluten-free oats, nut-free, vegan, vegetarian. I think they are a good breakfast or a healthy treat for whoever you are. Don't forget to take a picture if you're trying and send me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Snapchat. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. I will try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.